well, be safe. Don't know if you can see it, but it's still snowing. Language of the birds. Heard a crow start squawking a minute ago, and I couldn't figure out why, but our resident owl came buzzing over not long after that. I didn't have the camera rolling, but hearing that crow bark a little bit made me think I'd pass something along regarding activation centers. In aviation, our radios, we usually have a push-to-talk switch, and for smaller airports, the runway lights are off at night, but you can turn them on. They do that to save energy. And what you do is you push your radio push-to-talk switch several times. They have low intensity, medium intensity, and high intensity. Some just have low and high, but some have low, medium, and high. And to get low, you click your mic 3 times. For medium, you press it 5 times, and for high, you press it 7 times. You just click it real fast. Just click, 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 click. And the runway lights will come on. Hearing that crow bark 4 times made me think about how certain centers in our brain might be activated through sequencing. Hey, looks like an ibis or a crane. Probably a crane, that looked kind of big. But anyway, yeah, certain repetitive sounds basically triggering. I know triggering is all the rage, but just thought maybe certain sequences can trigger certain things. It made me think about runway lights. Anyway, sure is pretty out here today. And listen to those birds chirping. I guess whoever screams the longest maybe wins. They become the biggest asshole in the pack, but they win. A few squirrels were barking at each other too. I heard a really weird bird up the street I've never heard before, but it's quieting down since I went and got my camera. Anyway, hope everybody's doing alright. All 2 or 3 people that watch my nonsense. And still snowing like crazy here. I don't know if that shows up on the camera or not. Travel well. Keep on pulling on, signing off. See ya.